Okay, I'm just gonna give everybody a real quick update on the bee. Couple days till power tour. We got everything sorted out. She's running really good. Ended up having to change the head gaskets. We put ARP head bolts in it. Ended up going with a 650 Brawler. Mechanical secondaries, double pumper. Went with a full a full Pertronics ignition system. Whew, I gotta do this quick. It's hot. It's about 94 today. Of course, the bugs are coming out because it's Georgia. Anyway, full Pertronics ignition system, billet distributor, spiral stock looking wires, their coil. We still are shutting the car off with a 12 volt signal here. That distributor takes 12 volts. The ignition system that was in the car was the Mopar Performance electronic ignition. Freaking nuts. And it stepped the voltage down to about 9.5, 10, somewhere in there. So I'm gonna end up running that 12 volt wire back under the dash to the key. No big deal. We're not gonna hook the line lock up for now. Right now we have everything plumbed. Disc brakes work great. Carburetor's amazing. We'll be covering all that stuff in upcoming episodes. We're gonna be out and about for a few days. Obviously, Hot Rod Power Tour. Tim Wellborn has opened up his home and museum for the Power Tours, so I'll be getting full coverage of the Wellborn Mopar Museum, as well as parking on the grass. Always wanted to do that. He also has 2 Hemi cars stashed in that he recently acquired that he says the public hasn't seen in a few decades, so that's going to be super cool. We're also going to hook up with the auto archaeologist. That dude travels all over the freaking place. Apparently he knows where all these cool covered bridges are to take some photos. I know Dylan McCool's going to be on the tour. Obviously Vike Script Garage is going to be on the tour. Also looks like we're going to get the chance to meet Irish Outlaw Garage in person. Dude, if you watch his channel, he's got all kinds of cool cars everywhere. Can't wait to meet him and talk about cars. If you can't make it, we're going to take you along. We'll show you all the cool stuff along the way. While you're sitting in the air conditioning drinking your cold drinks, we're going to be cruising in this hot rod in the south. Be at 90 degrees, but the tour ends before the hurricane gets here, so that's good, right? Also wanted to give a shout out to Two Hacks Garage. We always considered you guys kind of a mentor to us for what we're doing here. We sent you some stickers. Thank you for displaying those. We already noticed some increased traffic from that. We really appreciate that. But stay tuned. We're gonna have some great on-the-road footage. Hit the Wellborn Museum. Hang out with some really cool people and see some really cool cars. So stay tuned.